So next one, show that integral 0 to 2 pi d theta by 5 minus 4 sin theta is 2 pi by 3. Okay, this is of type 1 integration because it contains sin theta or cos theta. So here put z is equal to e raised to I theta. So what is dz? dz is its derivative is e raised to I theta into I d theta. And what is d theta? D theta is dz by I e raised to I theta, or it is dz by I z. Okay, so sin theta, that is z is cos theta plus I sin theta, or e raised to I theta. Okay, e raised to I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. So what is e raised to minus I theta? It is cos theta minus I sin theta, or it is 1 by z. Okay, e raised to minus I theta is e raised to I theta and the inverse another, so it is 1 by z. So taking the difference z minus 1 by z, it is 2i sin theta, or sin theta is z minus 1 by z by 2i, or it is z square minus 1 by 2i z, taking the LCM. So sin theta is z square minus 1 by 2i z, and the question is integral 0 to 2 pi d theta by 5 minus 4 sin theta. So converting into contour integration, or integral over c dz by iz by 5 minus 4 into sin theta. In the place of sin theta, z square minus 1 by 2iz, or it is 1 by iz dz into taking the LCM 2iz, so it is 10iz minus 4z square plus 4 into whole divided by 2iz, that is into 2iz. So iz cancels, so 2 dz by, it is minus 4z square plus 10iz plus 4. Okay, so it is 2 dz by, we can take minus 4 outside, so minus 4 into z square minus 10iz by 4 minus 1. Okay, so it is 2 by minus 4 is minus 1 by 2, integral over c dz by z square minus 10 by 4 is 5 by 2, iz minus 1. So this is the f of z, function f of z is this one. Then to find the singular points, which are the singular points? For that, put the denominator as 0, that is z square minus 5 by 2 iz minus 1 is equal to 0. Or what is z? Z is, it is quadratic equation, so minus b plus or minus root of p square minus 4ac by 2a. So 5 by 2i plus or minus root of minus 5 by 2i the whole square plus 4 whole divided by 2, or it is 5 by 2i plus or minus square plus, okay, I square is minus 1, so minus 25 by 4 plus 4 whole divided by 2, or it is 5 by 2i plus or minus 2, minus 24 plus 16 is minus 9 by 4, or its square root is 3 by 2, I 3 by 2, or it is 5i by 2 plus 3 by 2, 3i by 2, and 5i by 2 minus 3i by 2, half whole divided by half whole divided by 2, or it is 5i plus 3i is 8i by 2, that is 4i again by 2, 2i, again difference 2i by 2, that is I by 2, I by 2. So here that circular's modulus is equal to 1. So z 2i, its modulus is 2, it is greater than 1, so lies outside. And z is I by 2, modulus of I by 2 is 1 by 2, it is less than 1, so it lies inside C. So to find the residue, which is the singular point which is lying inside C, that is I by 2. So finding the residue at z is I by 2, f of z, and its formula, limit z tends to I by 2, z minus I by 2 into the function, and it was minus half into this one. Or minus half is a constant, we can take it outside the limit. So limit z tends to I by 2, z minus I by 2 into factorizing this term, z square minus 5iz by 2 minus 1, or it is, which are the factors? 2i and I by 2. So it is z minus I by 2 into z minus 2i. If z is 2i, z minus 2i is a factor. Z is I by 2, z minus I by 2 is a factor. So it is applying the limit minus 1 by 2 into 1 by I by 2 minus 2i, it is minus 3i by 2, or it is minus 1 by 3i. And what is this integral? 0 to 2 pi d theta by 5 minus 4 sin theta, it is 2 pi I into sum of residues. Since there is only one residue inside C, so sum of the residue is this residue itself. So answer is 2 pi by 3.